The Vivo X200 Pro is a flagship smartphone that has garnered significant attention for its advanced features and design. Here's an overview based on recent reviews and specifications. The Vivo X200 Pro exemplifies premium design and robust build quality, incorporating several notable features. Protected by armor glass, the X200 Pro is engineered to withstand impacts and drops, ensuring durability in daily use. With an IP69 certification, the smartphone offers exceptional resistance to water and dust, capable of enduring high-temperature water jets, which surpasses the standard IP68 rating found in many high-end smartphones. The back panel is crafted from high-quality glass, available in various finishes. The Vivo X200 Pro features a 6.78-inch OLED display with a WQHD+ resolution, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals ideal for gaming and media consumption. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth motion and responsiveness. Additionally, it incorporates 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, reducing flicker and eye strain for comfortable viewing in various lighting conditions. The screen is reinforced with armor glass, enhancing durability and providing 11 times greater drop resistance compared to previous models. Overall, the Vivo X200 Pro's display offers an immersive and durable viewing experience. The Vivo X200 Pro is a flagship smartphone that excels in performance, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset built on a 3nm process. This advanced processor enhances both speed and power efficiency, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. In benchmark tests, the X200 Pro achieves impressive scores, Antutu, approximately 2,923,567. Geekbench, around 8,632. 3D Mark, Wildlife Extreme about 6,853. These results place the X200 Pro among the top-performing smartphones in its class. The device features a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing a responsive and immersive visual experience. The Vivo X200 Pro boasts a sophisticated camera setup designed to deliver exceptional photography and videography experiences. Here's an overview of its camera specifications. 50MP main camera. It features optical image stabilization for enhanced stability. 200MP telephoto camera. This camera offers 3.7x optical zoom and is equipped with multidirectional phase detection, autofocus and OIS. 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera with autofocus capability. 32MP selfie camera with an f/2.0 aperture and 20mm equivalent focal length, capable of capturing wide-angle selfies. The Vivo X200 Pro is equipped with a substantial 6000 mAh battery, enhanced by third-generation silicon anode and semi-solid battery technology. This design not only extends battery life but also ensures reliable performance in extreme temperatures, operating effectively even in conditions as low as -20°C. In terms of charging capabilities, the X200 Pro supports 90W wired flash charge, allowing for rapid recharging. In testing, the device charged from empty to full in approximately 46 minutes, reaching 73% capacity within the first 30 minutes. Additionally, it offers 30W wireless charging, providing flexibility for users who prefer cable-free options. The Vivo X200 Pro offers a refined software experience with its FunTouch OS 15, delivering a fluid user interface and extensive customization options. Pros: the combination of high-resolution sensors and Zeiss optics delivers outstanding photography capabilities. The Dimensity 9400 chipset and ample RAM ensure smooth and efficient operation. The micro-quad curved display and durable build quality provide a luxurious feel. The substantial battery capacity supports prolonged usage, complemented by fast charging options. Cons: as of now, the device is primarily available in select markets, with global availability details yet to be announced. Positioned as a flagship device, the X200 Pro comes with a premium price tag, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Conclusion: The Vivo X200 Pro is a fantastic choice for users seeking a premium flagship with a heavy emphasis on photography and performance. While it comes at a higher price, the features and overall experience justify the cost.